That was awesome. Good transaction. Yahoo! Whoa, careful.
Monkey wow, Skippy wow.
What are you doing, Gaby Monster?
You're playing the cash register.
Playing the cash register?
Yeah.
Yay, we're playing with the cash register.
Get the stuff that I want.
Ooh, can I buy something?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you want to buy?
All right, hold on. First thing I'm going to buy is, ooh, I want to buy this half-eaten dog bone. How much is it?
Something on this.
218? $2.18?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's a bargain for a dog bone that's half-eaten. All right, let me buy it. I want to give it to Sandy.
Here you money.
Let me give you money. You're giving me change? I didn't even pay anything yet. Oh, I paid with the credit card? Oh, Sandy, are you happy I gave you a dog bone? Ooh, you went for walkies. You're nice and cold. Okay, give me my change. Oh, I get $5.31. Oh!
Here.
All right, I like this store. This store gives me money.
So I need to smell. Yeah, something.
Oh, I have to give you $2.18?
Yes.
All right. Can you give me change?
No,
I have a 5. Can you give me change?
Yeah. I give you a lot of them.
Oh, I like this store. This is a good store. All right.
And all of the money.
Whoa, we're in business. I'm going to buy more dog bones. Wow. How much money are you giving me?
A lot of them.
Wow. Let's count it. Can we count it?
Yes.
Wow. That's a nice dog bone. I got 5, 10,
Oh, it's 10.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56, and 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's 57. What do we say? 56, 57?
There's one right next to you.
57, and then we
Right there,
have
one right
oh,
there.
this one here. Okay, 57, and then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 cents. That was one profitable dog bone.
Can I have some money too?
Oh, well, I have to buy something first.
What do you want to buy?
Oh, and I found another nickel.
What do you want to buy?
I'm gonna buy. Let me go shopping. Oh, I like this hat. Oh, it's a Cookie Monster hat. Hello. Oh, maybe next time, Sai. Right now, I want to buy this Cookie Monster set. Me love cookie. Me love cookie. Oh, me love cookie.
That's a creepy sound.
It is a creepy sound. How much is this Cookie Monster hat?
It is going to be.
I like this store. This is a nice store.
Okay, gonna be Hey, you pay that.
Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna buy
Can
it.
I have the money on the other one?
What?
Can I?
What?
Not the money on the other one.
No, you gotta tell me, how much is it worth?
I'm eating.
Oh, how much are we paying for the Cookie Monster hat?
1, 2, 3. $1, $2.
$1.23.
Can I have the money now?
Oh, we want the money first?
Yeah.
$1. And how much did you say?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. So 23 cents. Uh-oh.
What?
I can give you $1.25.
Okay.
Can you give me change?
Yes, I will.
Ooh, $20 change? I think I only needed like 2 pennies or something.
And you can have like more $20. And you can have like
I'm getting $40 change when I
And
should
more
only get 2
$20.
cents. I'm getting $60 change.
and $10
$70.
and $10.
$80. I love this.
Jump! Having your points too. Okay, here.
Oh, and a dollar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters. 4 quarters equals $1. All right. I just got 2, 4, 6, 7, $81 change from something that was $1.23.
Okay, you can go with shopping now.
Let's go shopping now. Can you wear the cookie hat? It's so cute.
Yeah, I wear it. You wear it the whole time.
Yeah, it's cute.
No, you wear it the whole time. I want you to wear it the whole time because I want you to see it.
Okay, can I buy this Lego City set? Ooh, this is nice.
It is.
How much is that Lego City set?
It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I can't afford that.
Can you buy that too?
Wait, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
Yes. Can you do that?
Looks like $1 million or something.
Do you have $1 million?
I don't have $1 million.
Yes, you do. Oh, million.
It's not $1 million.
Oh, okay. You'll be like 1. I'll be like 4, 5. I'll be like. Turn on it. I'll be like 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6,
And 1, 2, 3.
and 1, 2, 3.
You already handle that?
So that's $4,561.23. Since when did the price of Legos get so high?
I got it.
What? Oh, you're going to change your price?
Yeah, it is 5. 5 and 2, 1 and 2.
Oh, 512?
Yeah.
So it's $5.12?
Yeah.
All right, we got a deal, dude. I can do that. $5.10 or 12 cents. All right.
You can handle that.
I can
I did
handle
the
that.
same. No, I'm going to do the same thing as this.
Oh,
I did
yeah.
it.
Yeah, we're going to make this in the next video. We're going to build this Lego City pizza. What are you doing?
I'm eating the pizza.
All right, let's get 12 cents. We need $5. Here you go. You said $5 and I have 15 cents.
15 cents.
15 cents. So can you give me 3 cents change? I need 3 cents change. Where's a penny? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Mommy gets 3 cents back. That's proper. Good job.
Okay.
You did that very well. How about, can I get a kiss? Can I buy a kiss? I want to buy a kiss. Aw, I want to buy a kiss right here. Cookie Monster wants a kiss. What? You kissed Cookie Monster's head. Silly goose.
Please like and comment below. Thank you for watching Gaby Monster. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.